I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Oracle Data Integrator 11G on this Windows machine. So here to download this software in Google search box, write there ODI download. Then you can get here oracle.com site, click this. Then this is the latest version 14C is there, 12C is there, and then I'm going to use Oracle Data Integrator 11G. So this is here adapter is there. So then I'm going to use this Oracle Data Integrator 11G. So you need to click on this to all platform. Then after you should log in with the Oracle account. Then you can get the Oracle Data Integrator zip file. So first and second file you need to download there. So I already downloaded and extracted the files. Here you can see this is ODI 11G. Two disk is there, disk 1 and disk 2. So let's click on this disk 1, then go on this install. Then after Win64, and here you need to click on this setup file. Now thereafter click on yes button, and here this is asking about please just specify JDK location. So JDK location that we need to specify. So let's go on this C drive, program files, then C drive. Thereafter program files is there, Java. So JDK 1.8 that's currently using. So this is the location of the JDK, and this location you need to paste there. After copying and paste this location, thereafter you need to press enter. So wait for a few seconds, it's now processing. And there you can see Oracle Data Integrator 11 installer that's come there. So simply you need to click on this next. Here, escape. Search by Oracle support for update. This is for directory. Click on this next. Here, this selecting developer edition as standalone. If you want, then you can select their ES and this. Now click on this next. Operating system, okay. Let's click on this continue. So since I'm using Windows 11, so that this message is there, but don't worry. So this is Oracle home directory. Thereafter click on this next, and configuration. Let's click on this escape and click on this next. Agent, let's give there local underscore agent. Locus and agent. Then after here you need to provide the number valid agent port. Let's give there 0. Thereafter let's click on this next. Email, or here you can get this. So this come from Java. So this private you need to click on this allow. Thereafter this here I'm going to uncheck and click on this next. Here let's click on yes, and now you need to click on this install. So this here installing this Oracle Data Integrator inside the Windows 11 operating system. This place you can see there, this is the status. So total progress here you can see. So this will take some times. Now you can see or create as and configure this all 100% succeeded. Thereafter, here, if you click on this plus, this all succeeded. Let's click on this next, and now this install there. Thereafter, let's click on this finish. So this is now done here. After that, let's write there ODI. So if I ODI Studio, you can get this there. So let's click on this ODI Studio, and now it's opening Oracle Data Integrator 11c and productivity with chas. So this here, escape, click on this yes, and now there you can get the Oracle Data Integrator. Thereafter connect to repository and then you can start working there. So this lecture about how to install this ODI inside this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.